Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Just getting right into this video. This is going to be a really quick video. A while back we did a Dunkin' on Us flyer in Photoshop, and I just realized that we could have also done this in Canva as well. So I wanted to add this as an episode to the Canva series. Just getting right into it, I did go ahead and go onto Google and just type in Dunkin' Donuts. I downloaded their logo, which I'm not going to use in this template, but for color purposes, and I was going to use it. I found this stack of donuts. All I did was remove the background, as you see me doing in this video, and I just placed it where I wanted it to go. We did talk about this template in the last, this font in the last video, and it is called Dunkin' Sans. I think it came from defont.com. If you're new here, that's normally where we get our fonts from. But if you are interested in that font, just search for Dunkin' Sans and it should pop up. So all I'm going to do is just add the text that we want as the main title of the flyer. And you're going to see me switch up a few things as I go along, but we end up with a very cute flyer in the end. So y'all go ahead and watch this video, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so the sprinkles element that I did add to this flyer is on Canva. All I did was go into the elements tab and type in sprinkles, and it was one of the first pictures. As you saw, here I'm just adding my normal template text, and I'm going to remove this logo in a minute, but I wanted to add a placeholder for the barcode. This is not in the template on the website. I go ahead and delete it just for the customer to place their own barcode there. I do get a lot of questions on how these templates work. All you have to do is purchase like a gift card or something from Dunkin' and place the barcode on the flyer. Once you place your barcode on your flyer, download the template and post it to your social media pages. And that way your followers or whoever you send it to can just go straight to Dunkin' and use that barcode to purchase something. Right here, I'm just adding like the space for the instructions just to let clients know how to get it. Like I said, all they have to do is go to Dunkin', scan the barcode, and purchase their coffee or donuts or whatever they decide to use the barcode for. Alright, as I am finishing up this flyer, I'm going to duplicate the page just to give customers a second option on the flyers. I like to do this for certain ones that you can have different colors on. You can list them as two different templates or just leave them in one same file, and it's like a buy one get one type of thing. It depends on your preference. All I'm gonna do is just go in and change a few of the colors to make it different from the first flyer, but all in all it is the same flyer. So this was just a really quick flyer design. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and of course I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Rocking